Hello, this is a lovely one-bedroom apartment that we're going to be touring at 188 Winfield. This is the exterior of the building. It's located on a corner lot. You have a lovely front garden. This unit comes with shared laundry in the building. And straight ahead is the entrance to the unit. You have your mailboxes on the right. And straight ahead is unit number 2. Okay, so living room is to the left, bathroom straight ahead, coat closet right as you walk in. This unit has a completely renovated bathroom. Nice big medicine cabinet. There's your toilet, bathtub, and shower combination. There's a ceiling fan to suck up all the moisture. Here is the living room. This is a lovely space with beautiful bay window. This window faces south, so you do have a lot of sunlight throughout the day. Gas heat. This is the bedroom. The bedroom is located off the street, and it does have a closet here as well. Okay, nice big deep closet. This is the kitchen, beautifully remodeled. Stainless refrigerator, dishwasher, gas range, quartz counters. And there you go. If you are interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.